Whoa, 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 whoa. You know what is funny? Strange people came on my grandfather's land, took it away, and give me authorities of their own. I do not understand that. That is so messed up. And for example, these people that went into the land of Canaan from Europe, which call themselves Israeli, they captured the land, and they occupy it and let you believe they are the owner of the land in the past. You could imagine that? They are the owner of the land in the past. And the black people of Africa, they go for it. They go for the bullshit. And black people have all type of stories now about these people that they're calling themselves Israeli. They call themselves Israeli, so the true Israelite have nothing to say about the land. Look, the true Israelite are the guardian of divine power, and they can't understand that. They're the true guardian of divine power. But if you tell black people that, they start wondering, like, where is he getting all his story from? They are the ones that built the Ark of the Covenant, and they maintain it or sustain it. They are the true Israelite. There is no land named Israel. There is no land named Palestine. In the past, it's called the land of Canaan. And that's how it is. But by people cannot understand the ways of the white man, everybody else get confused. Chinese get confused. The Indian get confused. But what make it worse, the black man get confused. He don't know what's going on. He messed up. He's so messed up, he do not know his right from his left. Because the white man fool him so bad. And that's what the white man is doing. Fooling every other race of people with their doing. And let you believe they're God people. But did you see the Russian open their archive of the black Jesus? If this is not, look, this is not something, look, you see the features of those icons? They're white features. Black people don't have those type of nostril. and those type of mouth. We don't have those little mouth and those small nostrils. We got big lips. So somebody is fooling somebody again. That's all I'm trying to say. Look at those icons of the Russian that released their archive of the icons. You see how small the nostril is? And do you see how small those lips are? So another race of people is fooling our people again. But if you cannot understand, I don't know how to talk to you, my brother. We got to wake up and stop letting these other people fool us. If there was a man born with a great ability of wisdom and power and knowledge of all creation, and he's black, it would not look like that. Common sense. So the Russian make their icon in that manner, kind of look like them, not look like black people. Those are not black people. So they want to fool you. They do all type of stuff. And that's what they're doing, fooling our people. We got to wake up. If we don't wake up, we're going to be messed up. Because you're getting ready to destroy our people in some way or another. Some way or another, they're going to destroy our people. They ain't playing. They don't have no time to play. No. I have no time to play. So as I said, we got to wake up, man. But just check out those icons that the Russian just released and see what they look like. The British already released all of their icon of the Black Madonna. The Pope already have those in their secret archive. So let's see if they're going to release those too. And see what they're going to look like. So everybody's trying to fool the black man. You know what I mean? Everybody try to fool us.